Hey guys, so I wanted to do my outfit of the day today. I'm going to go shopping with one of my oldest friends. His name is Clement, so I will introduce you to him. I wanted to show you what I'm wearing today. So today I'm wearing my Burberry t-shirt, just a light washed denim skirt, my Hermes Oran sandals in white, my Birkin 30 in blue electric with gold hardware, and I also have my rodeo charm in sesame. It's the Pegasus version with the wings, sesame, white cray wings, and the mane and tail are in noir or black. And then this is actually a Fossil watch. Try to get a closer view. Sorry guys, still getting used to vlogging. This is a Fossil watch. It's super cute. I'm trying to just get used to it and get the feelers for maybe a higher end watch, like a Rolex or something. I'll show you Clement's arm candy. He's really bougie. So anyway, that's my outfit of the day. Let's go eat some lunch and go shopping.